Hey guys, it's me, Shreya. And before we get on to this video, I want to let you guys know that this is totally a spoof. It's not real. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, I just got my first fan mail ever. I love my fan mail. This is not kind of, but my friend watches my videos. Oh my gosh, I love you right now. Really love you right now. Oh, it's a little Deco squishy. She even has a tag and everything. And like the packaging. Thank you so much, Sarah. So this is really cute. It's like, it's called a jumbo toast. And it's really cute. This is the packaging. So I'm gonna squish it. Wait, no. Oh, here's the tag. I forgot about it at first, but she made a little tag for it too. It says jumbo toast, $16. It's really cute, so I'm gonna squish it. I'm not taking it out of this package ever. Wow, I didn't know it was gonna be like that slow. I mean, it's not that slow, but I was gonna be like really like quick bounce back. I mean, it is a pretty quick bounce back, but it's not like a super quick bounce back. That is so cute. Kind of crinkly in the package thing. This is adorable. Like, I love that she like made the little tag as well. This is so cute. I'm definitely gonna add this to my collection. So cute. This is adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed and bye.